Okay, if I wanted to run my car, what are 3 things that I need to make the car go? Yes? I need, no, a car. I want to drive my car.
I thought you said wash.
Nope, nope. I'm going to drive it. So what's one thing I need to drive my car? Gas. Okay, I've got some gas here. We'll put some gas in. And is it the liquid gas that burns in the car? No. It's the vaporized gas. So let's shake this around a little bit to turn some of the liquid into vapor. And then we'll take the liquid back out again. So now I've got some gas vapor in there. What else do we need to make the engine go? Martha?
I forgot it. No, I was going to say...
Does this help?
What?
Does this help?
That's right, yellow.
Ignition, so we need a spark, right? So we got a spark. And what else do you need for fire? We got the spark gives us heat. What else do you need for a fire?
Go ahead, Bella.
3
For
things.
fire.
Yes.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, there you go. Let's put some oxygen in this baby. So we're going to go around, get some oxygen in this. I'm going to check my spark plugs in here. Yep, they get a good distance. Ready? Oh, it's not going to go. We used up all the oxygen. We used up all the gas. So we'd have to fill it up again. Oh, that's a nice new one. I'm going to start dating those.
I jumped. I'm like, can you stop that, please? Can you stop that?
Call me. It's okay. It's okay. Everyone wants to.
Can you stop that?
Stop what?
Stop the fire.
Making the noise?
No, I don't like that noise anymore.
There was no fire. There will be another boom, though.
Yay!
I'll tell you when. Kira, you helping out?
I only have like for chair stuff.
Sophie.
Put on those gloves, too. They're kind of big, but I think they'll work for you.
Mr. Hendo.
Yo. Yes, sir.
The paper changed. Is that food
It
coloring?
did, didn't it?
Is that food coloring?
But if you look at the other paper, it's still laughing, isn't it? The water has gone way up near the top, but the color isn't moving. That's because the ink with the color moving is water soluble. The other ink isn't water soluble, so it'll just stay on the bottom there because the water won't move it. But you can see that the different colors are coming out, and I like to talk about that going to the ocean. When you go up to Maine and go swimming in the ocean, there's people.
I go to Maine and beach.
Excellent. When you get out of the car, do you like take your shirt off and run right in and jump in the ocean? No, it's cold, isn't it? But there are people that do that, and those are the blue people. Usually that's an indicator of what they're like after they've been in the water for a little while too. They get all blue. But there's other people that go in and they splash the water up on themselves and get used to it before they'll start swimming. Those are the colors that are in the middle. They don't like water as much as the blue people do. And then there's other people that'll never go past their ankles in the water. And that's the yellow people down at the beginning where I put the mark on in the beginning. So we've separated out all the colors that are loaded into that pen by the manufacturer to make black ink. But in fact, there's no black ink in the pen. All right? Okay, we've got a few chemicals here we're going to put together. And this is going to be the good one because it's on the big tray. Okay, give it a few squirts of dish soap. Get down there. Okay, that's good. That's good. There you go. So we've got some hydrogen peroxide in there. And this is some sodium iodide. You look carefully. Got it? Got it? Dump the whole thing in. Right up, all of it. Pour it.
Look at what's going to happen.
Okay, back off.
Whoa!
Okay, I won't ask you to come up and touch this one. This is steam, okay? This reaction is highly exothermic. That means it gives off heat when the reaction occurs. What we had was hydrogen peroxide, which is just hydrogen and oxygen. And then I added a liquid that had a chemical that'll break those two apart and give us oxygen and hydrogen. So the oxygen and hydrogen gas is actually trapped in the dish soap. And if I put a match in this, the match would keep burning because of the oxygen that's present. Normally that match would just go out. So this is called elephant toothpaste because of the way it comes out. I want to do it another way. I was telling Bill the other day, I want to get a 1 liter flask with a 2440 neck on it. And the stream would go up above the ceiling. You can't do that indoors.
Do it.
Can you just tip that over for me? Hello?
Joanne says you could do it.
She wants me to wash the ceiling. Thank you. All that I have over here, this is just a little demo thing. I've got a sealed system, so this is closed, the tubing is closed off, it goes down into this flask, comes back out here, goes around, goes into this flask, and then comes out here. You can see the bubbling slow down if I close it off, because the gas can't get out. And then I'll get a little burst of energy when I let it go. But the dry ice that I have in this flask takes up a little bit of room, but when it goes from the solid to the gas, that's a process called sublimation, where it goes right from a solid to a gas, no liquid phase in between. It takes up a ton more space. So when it goes to a gas in the flask can't flex like a balloon and get bigger. So you build up pressure in there, and that pushes the gas up through the tube and down through the water until you finally get over to the outlet over here. Alrighty. Hi, Sean, come on back.
Oh, my favorite. Oh, I hate
Okay, for this one, I'm going to light this. I'm going to put some hydrogen gas in here. I'm going to light it. And I need everybody to do this, all right? And hold, no, not the fingers, this. Cup your hands over your ears, all right? Because it's going to be quite loud. All right?
When he lights it.
Nope, leave the cover on. Yep.
It's ready.
Hold on to the can. See. Okay, there's a little flame there now. As the hydrogen burns off, oxygen's coming in the bottom, and when it reaches the right mixture of oxygen and hydrogen, it's explosive. Takes about 35 seconds. You'll see the flame get a little shorter. All right. So now you can see this one, that one stopped because we used up some of the chemicals, so the reaction won't go back and forth anymore. And you can see this one's on both sides. The water goes all the way through the television control. And this one, same as when I wrote on it, the water didn't bring it through the paper or anything. All right, that's my show. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yay!